Good morning to everybody. So we are doing exercise. Which chapter we are doing? Yeah, perimeter and area. So yesterday we discussed about what is meant by rectangle, square, what is the formula to find the perimeter and area of a rectangle, square, triangle and all. So today we will move to the exercise 11.1 today. The first question is the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are given 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. What it is given for you? The length and breadth of the rectangle are given that 500 meter and 300 meter. Am I right? Yes. What you have to find? You have to find its area. And then second part, if the cost of the land, find the cost of the land. If 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000, what will be the cost? Am I right here? Okay, fine. Now first you find the area of the rectangular field. What is the area of the rectangle formula? Yes, length into breadth. So area of the rectangular field, that is equal to length into breadth square units. Length into breadth square units. Here what is the length it is given? 500 meter. Breadth is also 300 meter. So when we are finding the perimeter and area, right, you have to check whether the given sides are in the same units or not. Here length is also in meter, breadth is also in meter, so we can find the area. Otherwise you have to convert into the same unit. Okay, length is what? 500 meter and then breadth is 300 meter. Now multiply. Now 5 3s are 15. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Proceed by 4 zeros. So 1,50,000 meter square. 1,50,000 meter square. After that what you have to find? You have to find the cost of the land. Then this is the first part. Given that if 1 meter square of the land, if 1 meter square of land cost rupees 10,000 is given. Am I right here? So okay. So therefore the cost of a land equal to rupees 10,000 into 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Am I right? Now multiply now. That means 1,50,000. How many zeros? Proceeding 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Am I right here? It is rupees. It is what? Rupees. So it's very simple. If you know the formula, right, just to substitute into the given data in the formula, you will get the answer. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? In the second question, find the area of a square park whose perimeter is given 320 meter. What is the second question? Find the area of a square park . 11.1. Question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is given 320 meter. Am I right? Okay. Here we don't know the side of the square. Let it be A. Let A be the side of the square. Let A be the side of the square. Given that perimeter is 420 meter, (320) or 420 meter. Just a minute. Given that perimeter is what? 320 meter. So perimeter of the square is nothing but 4 into length of each side. That is 4a, which is equal to 320 meter. So a equal to 320 by 4, which is equal to 8 4s are 32. So 80 meter. So it is the side of the square. It is the side of the square. But they asked us to find the area of a square. So therefore area of a square equal to side into side square units. Side into side square units. So what is the side? Side is what? 80. So 80 into 80, which is equal to 80 is 64. So 6400 meter square. It is the area of the square land whose side is 80 meter. So therefore area will be 6400 meter square. 6400 meter square. Am I right dear? Yes. Shall we move to the next question then? Yeah. Question number 3. Find the breadth of the rectangular plot of land. Question number 3. Find the breadth of the rectangular plot of the land if its area is. This is question number 3. Find the breadth of the rectangular plot of land. So this one you have to find. Whose area is given 440 meter square. And the length is given 22 meter. Length is given 22 meter. Find its breadth and also find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. Now tell me, area of rectangle is given. Area of rectangle is, how much it is given? 440 meter square. So area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So length into breadth equal to 440 meter square. Am I right? So what is the length here? Length is 22. Breadth we don't know that, which is equal to 440 meter square. Am I right here? Now, so B equal to 440 by 22. 122 is 22. 2 22s are 44. Then B equal to 20 meter. This is the breadth. This is the breadth of the rectangle. This is the breadth of the rectangle, which is equal to 20 meter. Now they ask us to find the perimeter of the rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle will be two times of L plus B units. 2 times of L plus B units. So 2 times of length is how much? 22 and breadth is how much? 20, which is equal to 2 into 22 plus 20, which is equal to 42. 2 into 42, 84 meter. 2 into 42, how much meter? 84 meter. Are you getting there? Yes. What it is given? Area of the rectangle is given and length of the rectangular land is given. You have to find the breadth and as well as the perimeter. You have to find the breadth as well as the perimeter of the rectangular garden. Am I right? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah. The next question is, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is, how much it is given? 100 centimeter. Question number 4. Perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. What is the perimeter of rectangular sheet? What is the perimeter of rectangular sheet? 2 times of L plus B, and L is given that 35 centimeter. L is given that 35 centimeter. What you have to find? You have to find the breadth as well as area of the rectangular field. You have to find area of the rectangular sheet. So we know that the perimeter of the rectangular field is what? 2 times of L plus B. So 2 times of L plus B, which is equal to 100. So L plus B equal to 100 by 2. So L plus B equal to 50 centimeter. As well as length is given that 35. So 35 plus B, which is equal to 50 centimeter. Now transpose 35 from left hand left hand side, right hand side, then it will be 50 minus 35, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Which is equal to 15 centimeter. Am I right here? Now find the area now. What will be the area of this? So area of the rectangular sheet length into breadth square units. So what is the length? Length already it is given for us 35, and then breadth we found here 15. So 35 into 15. 35 into 5, 175. 35 here. 512 here, 525 centimeter square, which is the area of the rectangular sheet. Area of the rectangular sheet. Are you getting there? Yes. And then Monday we will continue rest of the questions. We will start from question number 5 from Monday onwards. Okay? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.